Welcome to iTeachCybersecurity Academy, also known as iTCA, an online academy dedicated to making cybersecurity simple, useful, and practical for everyone. At iTCA, we break down complex security concepts into clear, real-world knowledge that beginners and professionals alike can understand and apply with confidence. This course is titled Network Forensics Fundamentals, and it focuses on one of the most important investigative skills in cybersecurity: understanding what happens on a network during a cyber attack. In this first module, we will lay the foundation for everything you will learn throughout the course. Imagine discovering that your organization has been breached. Systems are still running, but sensitive data may have been accessed or stolen. The big questions immediately become: how did the attacker get in? What did they do, and where did they go next? Network forensics provides the answers to these questions by allowing investigators to analyze network activity and reconstruct attacker behavior. This Module 1 is designed for beginners in cybersecurity, students new to forensics, IT professionals, and anyone curious about how cyber attacks are investigated at the network level. You do not need prior forensics experience. By the end of this module, you will understand what network forensics is, why it matters, and how it fits into modern cybersecurity operations. Network forensics is the process of capturing, recording, and analyzing network traffic to investigate security incidents or breaches. In simple terms, it involves observing how data moves across a network and using that movement as evidence during an investigation. Every communication between devices leaves traces, and network forensics focuses on collecting and interpreting those traces. Unlike guesswork or assumptions, network forensics relies on real data. It helps investigators identify who communicated with whom, when the communication occurred, what type of data was transferred, and how long the session lasted. This information is critical when trying to understand attacker actions and intentions. Network forensics differs from digital forensics, although both are closely related. Network forensics focuses on network traffic, communication sessions, and data in motion, often analyzed in real time or near real time. Digital forensics, on the other hand, focuses on devices, storage media, and files, usually after an incident has already occurred. A simple way to remember the difference is that network forensics analyzes conversations, while digital forensics examines stored evidence. In cybersecurity, network forensics plays a vital role. It helps organizations investigate intrusions and data breaches, supports threat intelligence efforts, provides evidence for legal or regulatory purposes, and improves overall network defenses. By understanding how attackers operate on the network, security teams can strengthen systems and prevent future incidents. Network forensics is especially useful when dealing with common network-based attacks, such as denial-of-service attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks, phishing campaigns, malware propagation, unauthorized access, and data exfiltration. In all these attacks, malicious activity leaves behind network traces that investigators can analyze to uncover what happened. In network forensics, evidence rarely comes from a single source. Investigators rely on multiple data sources to build a complete picture of an incident. Each source provides a different perspective, and when combined, they help reconstruct events accurately. Network logs collected from routers and switches show how traffic flows across the network. Firewall logs record which connections were allowed or blocked, making them useful for detecting unauthorized access attempts. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, often called IDS or IPS, generate alerts when suspicious or malicious activity is detected. Server and application logs reveal abnormal behavior at the application level, such as unusual login attempts or data transfers. The most important concept to understand here is correlation. By analyzing and correlating data from multiple sources, investigators can identify patterns, confirm attack timelines, and reconstruct the full sequence of events during an incident. To analyze network forensic data effectively, investigators use specialized tools. Two major categories of tools are commonly used in network forensics: packet analyzers and log analysis platforms. Packet analyzers such as Wireshark and TCP dump capture and inspect individual network packets. These tools are useful when investigating specific network sessions or suspicious traffic patterns. Log analysis tools such as Splunk, Graylog, or the ELK stack are designed to process large volumes of logs and identify trends, spikes, or anomalies over time. One of the most important techniques in network forensics is traffic reconstruction. This process involves reassembling individual packets into complete communication sessions, creating timelines of events, and identifying how attackers moved through the network. Traffic reconstruction allows investigators to visualize the attack flow from start to finish. For example, an investigator may detect a suspicious IP address in firewall logs. Packet captures are then analyzed to reconstruct communication sessions. A timeline reveals that the attacker accessed multiple servers over a period of several hours. This evidence can be used to block the malicious IP address, update firewall rules, and strengthen security controls. In this module, you learned that network forensics focuses on capturing and analyzing network traffic to investigate cyber incidents. You explored how it differs from digital forensics, the role it plays in cybersecurity, common network-based attacks, key forensic data sources, and the tools and techniques used to reconstruct attacker activity. If you found this lesson helpful, continue to the next module. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iTeach Cybersecurity Academy, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Keep learning with iTCA, where cybersecurity is made simple, useful, and practical.